Welcome to today's Soulful Sunday. The flower essence that came up with the pendulum today was the flower essence of Oregon Grape, and it came up under the area of faith. And what this one really talks about is being able to trust in the goodwill of others and trusting others. If this is something that you're maybe needing, what you would notice is that you expect others to have ill will or hostility towards you, or you expect the worst from others. And so this really talks about just having faith that people are good at heart, and that they're not out to get us and not out to hurt us. I think this is a really powerful one, and I think this is one that we really need in our society because we focus so much on the negatives. Our media is bombarded, I guess, or we're bombarded from the media with messages of how people are doing horrible things to each other. But we miss out on all the good things that are happening too. There are numerous, countless acts of kindness that are happening, but we just tend to focus on the negative, which perpetuates this belief that people are out to get us, or that people are hostile, or have ill will for us. So the Oregon Grape really talks about getting back that ability to trust in others, and seeing the positive and trusting that others are not out to hurt us and are not out to get us. And I guess really, if you feel like you're needing this, if you're someone who tends to expect the worst from people, or you expect others to hurt you, or that they're not good, and that they have ill will towards you, then this is probably something you would benefit from. Healing that kind of imbalance in that, and that lack of trust in humanity and lack of trust in others. It creates almost a paranoia and a fear state for us if we always think that someone's out to get us, or we think others are out to get us, or we think people are just mean at heart. So if you're feeling like this is kind of you, and that you tend not to be very trusting of others, and this is something that you'd want to heal in yourself, then you can ask for the flower essence of Oregon Grape to assist you with healing that and getting back to a balance, and being able to see the positive qualities and being able to trust in others. Trust is a huge thing, and really, really important, I've found. So again, the flower essences that come up each week are, I use my pendulum, and I use the Bach flower essence, and I just ask the universe to provide one for the week. And this is the one that came up this week. If you're interested in getting a personalized reading and seeing what areas you might benefit from, then you can check out the link above, and book a consult or book a reading. I hope you all have a great week, and trust in the goodness of others, because there is kindness and wonderfulness out there. Have a great week. Thanks.